Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about plants. And I am hoping that you are all taking a lot of time to be outside, especially today. Today would be a day that Mrs. Rogers and Miss Chisty and Mrs. Carrillo and I would say, oh, let's have an extra long recess. This day is so beautiful. So I hope that you're getting to play for an extra long time outside. Take advantage of all the sun that you can. While you're outside, I think you might enjoy looking at plants and identifying the different parts of the plant. So I have the umbrella plant back here, or schiffelera. When I grew up, my mom always called this an umbrella plant. The Latin name is schiffelera, so the scientific name is schiffelera. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. So this is a schiffelera plant, and you know where it is. It's in the corner right beside our book corner, right beside, in between the bells and the book corner. So you know where this plant is in the classroom. And I want you to look very carefully at it. It's going to be a little tricky to see. You might have some plants in your own house that you can identify with too. So if you look right here, there is a big stem. And right here, all of this green stuff, what are those? Yeah, leaves, lots of leaves. So here's another stem. We would call this one a branch. So here's the main stem, and here are some branches. The stem, sometimes it's called the trunk if it's a big tree. The stem or the trunk draws all the water up from the soil, and all of the water and the nutrients travel through this trunk and out through the branches so that they can get to all the leaves. And then the leaves, they use sunlight to make food. And all of that food that the leaves make travels back down through the branches, down into the stem, so that the whole plant has water and food and good nutrients. My question though is, do you know what's underneath this? What's inside and underneath the dirt that's in here? Yeah, the roots. We can't always see the roots. Sometimes you can see them. If you pull out some weeds, you might find you want to pull them out so that you can see all the roots. Sometimes you can see roots in the ground around a big tree. These roots you can't really see, but I have a different plant that I have been rooting in water. It's from my house. This is an ivy plant. Here, I'll show it to you. Let me see. See the leaves? And here's the stem. Here's the stem. And then right here, that is a root. So I snipped off a piece of the ivy plant, and I put it in some water, and then I had to wait and wait and wait to see if a little white root would grow. And it did. So those are the parts of a plant. We have the leaves that make the food. They use sunlight to make food. Wouldn't that be fun if you could just go out in the sun and have your lunch with the sun? And then these are the stems or the trunks if it's a big tree. And then down here, right there, is the root. Okay, so I will put this plant